Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add Microsoft account on mobile. So first go to your Google Chrome, then type for microsoft.com. Now go to the right corner and click here. So now let's proceed to create your account. All you have to do is type your email address or your phone number. Next, type your name and last name. Then, click Next. Now, type your country or region, then your birthday, your date, month, and year. Then, click Next. Now, wait for your code and it will send into your number. Then, click Next. After that, a verifying puzzle will pop up. Then click Next. And that's it. Now you have account on your Microsoft. That's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.